how are you everybody? Hello, this is your teacher Nerida with another short video, in this case about possibility. Repeat, possibility. Yes, we are going to talk about possibilities, and in order to express possibilities, we use three modal verbs that are will, may, and might. Let's repeat. Will, may, might. Yeah. Okay, so we use these three words, these three auxiliary verbs to express possibility. Let's start with will. We use will to the future possibility to show probability of a situation or event to happen. Probability of a situation or event to happen. The most common adverbials of probability are definitely, certainly, and probably. One more. Definitely, certainly, probably. One more. Definitely, certainly, probably. Yes, we use these adverbials with will to express probability. Okay, so the first we use will or won't plus the adverb definitely, certainly, and probably. We use definitely and certainly, these two, definitely and certainly, when we are 100% certain about something. It can be positive or negative. We can use will in the positive way or negative way with these two words, definitely, and certainly. Definitely and certainly. However, look at this. We have will plus the adverb. When we have the positive, we have the will plus the adverb. For example, will definitely or will certainly. Okay, this is in the affirmative. But in negative, it's vice versa. It's the adverb plus want. For example, definitely want, certainly want. Okay, so this is the difference. How to use these adverbs in affirmative or in negative. And here we have some examples to illustrate a little bit. This is I'll definitely or certainly pass the English test. This is an affirmative. This is an affirmative sentence. And I have will. First of all, will. Okay, let me check this. We have the will and the adverb, definitely or certainly. I will definitely or I will certainly pass the English test. On the other side, in the negative form, we have the vice versa. First the adverb and then the want. For example, here we have first the adverb, definitely, and then the verb. I definitely won't pass the English test. Or I certainly won't pass the English test. So can you see this is vice versa? First of all the adverb, and after that the auxiliary will in negative. Okay, so this is one difference between affirmative and negative we have to take care about. Well, so we're going to see more about the use of will. We use will and want plus the adverb, in this case probably, But when we are not 100% sure, we use probably. For example, here, I will probably fail my English test. I will probably fail my English test. I have the will plus the adverb probably. This is in the one affirmative sentence. And in negative sentence, I have vice versa. First for the adverb, and after that the won't. I probably won't fail my English test. I probably won't fail my English test. So here I am using the adverb probably. Okay. So in order to sum up, we use definitely and certainty when we are 100% sure about our prediction, this possibility. But when we are not 100% sure, we are certain but not 100%, we use probably. And the use of these adverbs: will plus the adverb, or the adverb plus what. Okay, so this is the grammar part about the will. And let's go with the other two words that we have. We have may, and also we have might. Both of them as well are used to express possibility. Okay. The only one difference between one and each other is that might is more formal than may. This is the only one difference. Might is more formal than may. Okay. And when we use may and might, we need the verb in the base form. Let's see some examples. This is John, and here we have the examples. You may go home now. John. You may go home now. John. Yeah, in this case, I am using might to be more formal. If I want, I can use may. There is no problem. I can say, you may go home now, John. It's the same meaning, so we choose depending on the context, depending on the situation we choose. Or use may, or to use might. Here we have another prediction, another possibility using may or might. Look at the clouds. This person is looking at the clouds, and he says, look at those clouds. It may rain in a minute. It may rain in a minute. Yeah, there is possibility that could rain in a minute. It may rain in a minute. I can use might in this part as well, depending on the situation, and I can say it might rain in a minute. The same meaning. Now let's see here. The clouds are disappearing. The sun might shine. The sun might shine. And there is the sun is shining. The sun might shine. Or I can say the sun may shine. It's the same. Here we have another example. He may be on the beach. It's probable. Yeah, it's probable. But or he may be in the woods. Yeah, he may be on the beach, or he may be in the woods. Yes, this is a probability. This is a possibility. And here we have another. We might have picnic. We might have a picnic. there is possibility to have a picnic. We might have a picnic. Or I can say we may have a picnic. It's totally the same. And here we have another. I might miss the lesson. He's in a hurry. And he said I might miss the lesson. And here we have another. Fatima may not be feeling well. Fatima may not feeling well. This is negative. May not. And for might as well is the same negative. Might not. Might not plus the base form of the verb. Now we are going to order these words to form a sentence. You have exactly 1 minute, or if you need less, doesn't matter, stop the video and try to order these words. Did you? Yes? Okay, so let's check what is the correct order and compare with your answers. I, the subject, might, very good, and it's negative, might not. And the verb in the base form, go. And we have the complement with you. I might not go with you. Yes, this is. I hope you did well. So, to sum up, in order to finish, we use these 3 words to express possibility. These 3 auxiliary verbs: will, may, and might. Will with certain words, with certain adverbs, for example, certainly, probable, and also definitely. And we use may and might as well on the other side. The only one difference is that might is more formal than may. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you in another opportunity. Bye bye.